Tom Franiak here with Midwest Cabinets and Design. Just finishing up the kitchen here. They've got a little bit of tile work. That's not going to be our responsibility. But I wanted to share with you just a feature that is in this kitchen that we did. And so a lot of times if you have a pantry that's kind of small like we have here, you can see it here. It's only an 18-inch wide pantry. But I want to show you what we did here. So if you go ahead and pull this, we have a pull-out pantry unit. You see that there? That is the whole pantry. Pulls out of the cabinet. It's soft open, soft close, so it goes really nice. Good feature. That way things don't get lost in the back of the pantry. It all pulls out, makes easy access. And when we come to your kitchen, maybe that's something you might like to incorporate, and we could do that for you. So when you're ready, call me, Tom Franiak, Midwest Cabinets and Design. Have a great day. Bye-bye.